Hello smart viewers, welcome to this channel again, DET Practical English Teaching. Well, in this occasion, I would like to direct you again how to improve your speaking skill using a short story related to the use of present perfect tense and simple past tense. You should listen to me carefully and repeat sentence by sentence when I tell you a short story. You should also try to memorize it and retell it. In the end, I will ask you some question about it. Now please listen to me carefully and repeat sentence by sentence after me. Peter Freeman is talking to one of his girlfriends. He is asking her a question. Have you ever seen that movie yet? Yes, I have. I saw it last week, she said. What do you think of the movie? He asked again. I did not like it. Well, do you still remember the story? Well, now please answer my question. Question number 1. Has Peter Freeman's girlfriend ever seen that movie yet? When did she enjoy it? When did she see it? Did she enjoy it? Did she like it? Well, I hope that this video is useful for you. If you like it, you should subscribe, give comment and share. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.